What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back to our video, and today we're looking at the Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro, and basically this is one of their newest earbuds, wireless earbuds with high res audio. So let's look at it today and see how well it does. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Basically, right now we're just unboxing it and seeing what we get out of the box. But the summary of the Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro and what it could do is has a high-res audio, like I said earlier, the LiDAC audio codec as well, 12 millimeter driver, and it has a hybrid active noise canceling, 6 mics for clearer calls when you are using this during transit, or maybe you are commuting and you're trying to call someone, you're trying to speak someone on your phone. There's also a gaming mode on this one, has a low latency of 70 milliseconds, which is really awesome. The total hours of usage of this as well is 52 hours because it has a case that is a battery pack to charge your earbuds. It is also Bluetooth 5.3, which brings the connection and the latency better because of that. It has a touch control as well, which you can use for answering phone calls, skipping music, changing the volume even. It has transparency mode as well, so you don't have to take off the earbuds, which prevents it from getting lost. And it has a Type C charge as well, which is fast charging. Let's test it out today though, and let's see how well it fits in my head. In the box, you'll see that it has a Type C cable and also interchangeable ear tips, so it fits your ears properly. Now let's go ahead and grab our phone here. We're gonna go to settings, and we're gonna go to Bluetooth, and then we're gonna open the Capsule 3 Pro, and it should show up on there. And then we're just gonna pair it with our phone. And as you can see there, really quickly, it was able to pair it, no problem whatsoever. Now we're just gonna go on the next segment here of downloading the app for Soundpeats. Basically, with the app, you'll be able to download firmware updates on the earbuds, and here you'll be able to see as well different modes like transparency, noise canceling, and also normal mode. There are also game modes here, so the app is really nice to have, very handy to have for these earbuds. With the app as well, it'll show you the battery indicator on each earbud. You can also change the volume here. They have presets as well for Soundfeeds Classic, Bass Boost, or maybe even um, different stuff like for folk, whatever you're listening to, basically. Or you can customize the equalizer if you whatever you want, as you could see here. Again, super handy to have. And here it is. So we have the Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro now. And we're gonna test it out in our ears and see how well it does. How does it feel in my ears? Basically, we're just gonna test out the sound quality as well of this, how I think, what I feel about it, and what I think about it. And basically, as I fit it in my ears are a little bit smaller, so I felt like in this case, it was a nice feel to it, even though my ears are a little bit smaller. And the sound has a great bass on it as well. Very beautiful sound. You could hear the treble is there as well for the lyrics, and it has a nice clarity on it as well. So you can see it has a nice rose gold finish as well, and I definitely recommend it. Here's a bit of a close-up on the battery case for the Capsule 3 Pro. Basically has a USB-C in the bottom with the rose gold finish around it as well. It has a sync button there as well. If you open this, it has an indicator light on the front which tells you how much battery the case has, which is really handy to have so you don't have to guess or whatsoever. It has a plastic finish here as well, but the outside is matte, which is really good on the hand. It has the Soundpeats logo on the back as well. Really nice touch. The earbuds has this touch button on the side here. Again, rose gold finish. Just the details on this is really nice. As you could see, even the top has different rose gold finish inside as well, which is really nice touch by Soundpeats. Really nice. Now with the touch controls, you'll be able to control your music as well. If you double tap the touch controls here, you'll be able to play and pause the music on either side of the earbuds. Now tapping it once will lower down the volume if you tap the left side, as you could see there. And then it'll increase the volume if you tap the right side. As you can see there, the volume is going up. Now if you tap and hold for 1.5 seconds, that will play next. You'll pretty much go to the next music here, as you could see. If you triple tap on the right side, it'll bring up Siri as well. And then if you triple tap the left side, it'll turn on gaming mode. Now if you tap and hold the left side for 1.5 seconds, it'll toggle the active noise cancelling or transparency mode and also the normal mode. So it'll just go through that. If you do the double taps as well, you can answer or decline calls. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new wireless earbuds. This one is the Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro. And if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I would recommend this for people who are looking for commuting earbuds, wireless with Bluetooth 5.3 and also very good LiDAC support. It has low latency for gaming as well, so that's really good for that. If I was able to help you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!